Hi, Rena. Here was the plan that we had for today. There's a Google Classroom question, and then we finished reading together case study number 2. We had some notes and questions that we answered about it. I'll have those in the classroom for you so that you can do those. When we come back on Monday, we'll have one more section out of our topic on standard of living that'll cover education in parts of Africa for specific groups of people. The reading we did is still in your classroom. I believe I posted that and put that in there. Here's the material for it. So I have the pages that we read, the video we watched, and the slides that I included. And there's some other links on the slides as well that you can look at that help to give us a little bit more insight into what life is like in this part of the world and why the standard of living is so low for people. So I'll just add the assignment in there for you to complete, and then that way you have it finished and should be able to stay up to date. We'll have, so by the end of this week, we finished our standard of living introduction, case study 1, and then case study number 2, which I'll put in here for you just this afternoon. If you have any questions, please go ahead and reach out and let me know. I'd gladly help you out as much as I can. And thank you. Have a great weekend.